Nek podjetni oče je pred skoraj 50 leti presodil, da bo Kansas City pravo mesto, da tu otrokom postrežejo prvi srečni obrok na svetu. Ideja, ki se je dobro postarala, vsako leto po svetu razdelijo več kot 1,5 milijarde igrač. Ko smo že pri tem ameriškem podjetju, preden je streglo hamburgerje, je prisegalo na pravi ameriški žar in namesto hitre hrane streglo počasi pečeno. Tako spomni ta muzej v Kansas Cityju, v katerem boste še bolj vzljubili meso. Ta konec ZDA je namreč ponosna prestolnica ameriškega žara.
That we cook all different kinds of meats. So we'll cook pork and chicken and beef. Most places in Memphis and in the Carolinas, they focus on pork. In Texas, they focus on beef.
Zna biti ena najbolj priljubljenih prostočasnih aktivnosti tukajšnjih navijačev.
Tailgating is part of the lifeblood of Kansas City. They will actually have folks who are in the parking lot. They'll set up their grill or their smoker, and for hours and hours before the game, you'll see them cooking.
You cannot cheer hungry, right?
No. It's actually, some people actually are so into the tailgating that they never make it into the game because they've had so much fun.
A tudi resen šport je lahko.
There's the American Royal World Series of Barbecue, which happens every October or November. It's the biggest barbecue contest in the whole world. There's usually more than 500 teams that compete.
In tudi utrudite lahko kot resen šport.
Meat sweats are a real thing when you have so much meat that it is literally like you've been doing exercise, but you're sweating. And so you can even see it sometimes when someone is in the middle of a barbecue meal, right? Their face gets a little red and you start to sweat a little bit because it's kind of like your body is working in overdrive because of the amount of calories you consume.
Končno šport po mojem okusu. Zdaj pa gremo seveda sestradani še tja, kamor na kosilo hodijo ameriški predsedniki. Od zunaj ne prav ugledna zadeva, znotraj poka od ponosne zgodovine. Vsaj 4 predsedniki so se oglasili tu, prvi Jimmy Carter in največkrat Barack Obama. V tem lepoto mu strežejo. Reklamo imajo sicer boljšo kot meso, ampak okej, ni slabo. Več kot 100 takih restavracij je v mestu in vsako leto naj bi pojedli toliko svinjskih rebrc, da bi jih lahko postavili v vrsto od Kansas Cityja do San Francisca in nazaj.